Hi everyone, Tom Larson here with Tech Training for Teachers. If you've ever needed to make screen recordings or short instructional videos using your computer's webcam, then you should definitely try out the Screencastify Chrome extension. We'll be covering all the professional level features users can access, as well as new enhancements to the product that includes how to add questions to your videos for better engagement, how to enable student video submissions, and how to seamlessly integrate your videos with Google Classroom. Let's kick things off with a short video from Screencastify describing what the product is all about.
Welcome to Screencastify, the easiest solution to create and share videos. And now, assess student learning. We'll get you started in seconds, and it's all available free. Start by clicking on the Screencastify extension in Google Chrome. Choose whether you'd like to record a specific browser tab, your whole desktop, or just your webcam. Then hit Record and start your video. While you're recording, you can focus viewer attention with the pen tool, highlight ideas with a rectangle, or add stickers. When you're done, just hit the Stop button. A new browser tab opens to manage your video. To start editing, click Open in Editor. Screencastify Edit allows you to customize your recording, cut, crop, zoom, add text, and more. Once you've created your video, it's time to make it interactive. Add questions to assess a viewer's comprehension. Move your cursor to the point in the video where you'd like to add a question. Customize it, and it's automatically embedded in the video. And when you share a video with the Watch page, you can view analytics. See how many people watched your video and how they performed on your questions. With Screencastify, it's easy to create, share, and assess. It's everything you need to make instructional videos, all in one place.
The first thing you'll want to do is to head over to the Chrome Web Store where you can install Screencastify. We've put a direct link to that in the resource doc. So click on that link. It'll take you right here. Once there, click the Add to Chrome button. And then you'll see the Add Extension button. Click that as well. Alright, you'll see a message saying Screencastify has been added. Click that little, looks like a puzzle piece there, and then make sure that you pin Screencastify to Chrome so you'll have quick and easy access moving forward. Click the Screencastify app icon in Chrome, and then you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Go ahead and click that link there. Choose your Alcoa Schools Google account. I'm using a demo account here. Click Allow. Make sure you agree to the terms, privacy policy, and you can click Next. And then be sure to specify that you are a teacher, and then what grade levels you teach. And click Finish when done. Alright, a couple more things. You'll want to enable your mic and webcam so you can make recordings by clicking Allow. And you can bypass this screen by just clicking No Thanks. Okay, you're all set. Your account is created and you're ready to go. The next thing that we want to check is to make sure that we have unlimited recording. And if you go to My Account, if you've not used Screencastify yet, then you'll only have access to the free version of Screencastify. Many of the features I'll be discussing today requires the professional version. Please see your district tech admins to find out more about licensing options or reach out to one of the team members at Screencastify via their website. We'll provide the direct link in the video description. Click your Screencastify icon in Chrome and then look for the menu bar over on the left here. Move your eyes down until you see the Options icon. Looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click it. First thing we'll look at here is where our videos should be saved. Please leave it set to the default setting, which is to have all your videos saved into Google Drive. This will make sure that none of your content is lost, and it's always in a place where you can quickly get to it. It also makes sharing super easy. Next set of options you may want to adjust are your keyboard shortcuts. Click the Configure Recording Shortcuts link. This will take you into Chrome. Once here, you can set your keyboard shortcuts to do things such as starting and stopping recordings automatically. For recording settings, you can see what those options are. I wouldn't change any of these. Leave the default setting as is. In the advanced setting, be sure to turn on Optimize mic audio for voice. This is going to remove a lot of the background noises and make your recordings more clear and easier to understand. To begin a new recording, click the Screencastify extension icon in Chrome. You have a few options here in terms of what to record. You can choose to record a browser tab. If you choose the browser tab option and the browser tab contains audio such as from a YouTube video and you would like to include that as part of the recording, make sure you check the tab audio option here before you click record. Your entire desktop, with this option you can choose to record the entire screen or a specific window. Simply click on the window you'd like to record and then click share. You can also choose to make a recording using only your webcam. If that's the case, use this option. When you're recording, you'll have the option whether or not to have drawing tools appear on your screen. Drawing tools can help direct the focus of your audience to a specific area of your screen, as well as providing a quick way to do things like pause and restart our recording and toggle our webcam on and off. The mouse tab lets us choose from 4 different options. These include clicks, focus, classic, and fireworks. Choose the style you'd like to use and then save in order to keep it throughout your recording. The pen tool lets you write over the top of your recording using a selection of available colors. The rectangle tool lets you draw a rectangle over any area of your screen. You have a variety of color styles to choose from. Stickers act as virtual stamps that can be posted on your screen. Click the Clear Screen button to remove them. The eraser tool will remove any markings or annotations you have made to your screen. The Start Webcam option will toggle your webcam on and off. The Collapse button will hide a portion of the toolbar so as to make more of your screen visible. The Drawing tool handle will let you move the toolbar to another area of your screen. The Pause and Stop buttons affect your current recording. Click Pause to temporarily halt recording. Click Stop to end recording. To rename your recording, simply click up here on the title and replace what is there with the new title. Strike the return key to set the name. To trim off the front and ending portions of the video, drag the scissors icon, click Save Trim, trim once again. Now your video has been trimmed. To make more advanced video edits, click the Open in Editor button. Okay, now that we're in the advanced editing area, we can do things like cropping, zooming in on a specific portion of our screen, adding text, and other video clips into the timeline. Let's go ahead and cut up this clip. There's a part at the beginning I want to get rid of. I'll click on the clip and then I'll drag my handle on the left-hand side right about here. And then I'll play it to see where we're at. To crop your image, select the image. Okay, that's where I'd like the video to begin. Next thing I'll do is to add a title. So I'll click the Add Media button over here on the right and I'll choose Add Title. We'll click Done. So now it will put that little title at the very beginning of my clip. I can play it back. To crop your image, select the image. Alright, then my video begins. I'd like to draw the audience's attention to a specific area on the toolbar. So I will navigate to that point. I can see it's right here. And then what I'll do is I'll click the zoom button right here. We'll choose that. And then I'll move this just like so. So what's going to happen is the screen will actually auto crop itself and focus in on just this area. Right? You can see we have transition speeds over here on the right. We won't change those at all. Let's click done. Now watch what happens if I come back a little bit and I click play. The image, then locate the crop tool on your toolbar. Choose it and drag your handles. See how that works? Now if we want that effect to remain longer in that position, what we would do is we would drag the handles here on that effect, and that increases the duration. Okay? I do want to add a little bit of text over the top of my video clip. To add that text, click the text tool, type in your text. I'm going to adjust the size of the font here. I have to first select the text. We'll resize it. And I'll also change the color to red. Drag this down a little bit. And then I'll move it into position right here. And then I'll click done. Now let's come back and see what that looks like. And drag your handles on the left hand side, the right hand side, and click off the image when you're done. Looks like I need to move that text a little lower, so I will choose the text box and I'll simply bring it down. But see how it's sort of blending into that black text in the background? That doesn't look good. So I will apply a fill color to this text of white, and then I'll resize the text box itself. There we go. And then reposition it right about like that. Then we'll click done. Now I'll play it back. And drag your handles on the left hand side, the right hand side, and click off the image when you're done. To add another video clip into your timeline and make it a part of your project, click Add Media, choose Upload, or if it's from your Drive folder, click Drive. We'll choose Upload. And here it is here. Change text color. Click Open. Okay, and then there's the video clip. I should tell you that all of these clips can be rearranged however you like. Just simply click and drag and move them into the position you want them to be in. When you're all done making your edits, click Export. You can choose to export the video as a flattened MP4. Save this to your local computer if you'd like. Or you can export the video into your Screencastify folder located in Google Drive. Sharing options are divided into two basic categories: watch page and original video file. Before sharing the video watch page, first click the Edit Watch Page Theme button. This lets you change the background color for the page the video is viewed on. After making your selection, you can preview the video to see what normal viewers will also see. To view share settings, click here. Make changes by clicking the Edit button. Click Save to modify the settings. You can also share the video with others directly through available integrated app options. Click the app, then specify the specific audience or group to receive the content. To share the original video file, click Export Video and then select the desired option. Click Google Drive to change the share settings or copy the drive link. Screencastify's Submit feature allows teachers to easily collect recordings from students. This is a useful and streamlined approach to gathering multimedia-based content. Students can complete the Google Classroom integrated assignment from their computer or mobile device with ease. Whether you're a music teacher assessing a student's individual performance or a regular classroom instructor listening to an oral book report, you'll find the Submit feature to be extremely useful. Here's how to get started. Click the main menu icon on the Screencastify Chrome extension. From here, go to Submit. You'll need to connect your Google Classroom account to Screencastify. Do this by clicking the blue Connect My Account button and then grant Screencastify access to your Google Classroom account. Once this is done, click New Topic. You can choose to share via Google Classroom or simply generate a link. Because this will be an assignment, we'll select the first option. Click Next. You'll need to decide the type of recording. If you simply need a video recording of the student that can be done on a computer or a webcam, or simply with a smartphone, choose the Webcam Recording Only option. Then click Next. Give the topic a title and description. Choose the specific class, as well as a due date, point value, and topic. When all this is complete, click Assign. The assignment will now be live inside Classroom. Students will then click the assignment link, make their recording, and then submit it for grading. Once the assignment has been submitted, the teacher can review the recording, grade it, and then return the completed assignment back to the student. Interactive questions are a powerful tool for teachers to increase student engagement and understanding when using video as a classroom tool. You can create content that focuses students and requires them to take a more active approach while engaging with the video content. In the My Videos section, click on the video you'd like to make interactive questions for. Once the video loads, click the Interactive Questions button. Drag the video playhead to the position in the video where you'd like to insert a question. Click the Add Question button. Enter your question, as well as answer choices. Make sure you've specified the correct answer. Click Save when finished. Repeat these steps for each new question you need to make. If you realize you need to go back and make a correction to a question, click the Questions tab, and in List View, click the Edit button beside the question. Save any changes. When students click on the assignment in Classroom, they'll be taken to the Video Watch page. Here they will view the video and then be stopped at each point of the clip to answer the question you as a teacher made on the back end. To see how well your students did, click on the video inside of Screencastify. Go back to Interactive Questions, and then click the Response tab to see all the current scores. To see viewer information, select your video from My Videos and then click the Viewers button. Here you'll see the view and view date. If you also wish to see who specifically viewed the video, change the Analytics Tracking option in the Video Watch page Share Settings window. Once you've made the modification, click Save to apply the changes. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions, reach out to me via email, tom@techtrainingforteachers.com, or drop your thoughts in the comments section. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you know the moment new content is posted.